All right, so we created a fully working React app with zero configuration. But sometimes, if you're an advanced developer, you may want to customize the default configuration that comes with this project. For example, let's say you want to customize the Webpack configuration. That's when you use the eject command. So open up package.json. Here under script section, we have 4 scripts or commands. Earlier, we used the start command to start our development web server. We also have build, which we use for building this application for production. So we'll get an optimized package. We also have test for running unit tests in this project. And finally, we have eject. We can run this command to eject from create React app and customize all the tools and configurations that come with this project. Now, the interesting thing here is that if you look at the dependencies section, you can see we have only 3 dependencies. We have dependency to React, which is the main React library. We also have dependency to React DOM, which is a library for working with the DOM. In the last lecture, we used the render method to render a React element inside of the browser DOM. And we also have React scripts, which is another library that takes care of starting, building, testing, and ejecting a create React app project. So the interesting thing here is that under dependencies, you don't see any references to tools like Webpack, Babel, and so on. And this is the beauty of using a create React app project. All that complexity is hidden. Now, if we eject from create React app, you will see all those dependencies appear under the dependency section. Let me show you. So back in the terminal, from the project folder, execute npm run eject. Note this warning here. Are you sure you want to eject? This action is permanent. Basically, ejecting is a one-way street. So don't do this unless you're an advanced developer and you know what you're doing. So don't do this, just watch what I'm doing. Let's go ahead. So now back in package.json, under dependencies, you can see every single dependency that is used in this project. You can see Babel libraries. Here we have ESLint, as well as a bunch of other libraries. You can see we're using Webpack version 3.8.1. Also, we have a new folder, config. This is where all the configuration is stored. So if you want to overwrite Webpack configuration for your development or production environments, you can open up these files and make any necessary tweaks. But earlier, before ejecting, we didn't have this config folder. Neither did we have all those dependencies in package.json. Everything was cleaner and handled behind the scene. So use eject only if you know what you're doing.